Tyrannosaurus rex, or T-Rex, was a fearsome species of dinosaur because of its large size and huge teeth. The name Tyrannosaurus rex means tyrant lizard king when translated from Greek and Latin. A tyrant is a cruel ruler over others. T-Rexes were quite threatening, so they were like the cruel kings of the dinosaurs. T-Rexes roamed the land somewhere between 66 to 68 million years ago. They lived in North America and Asia, which were joined land masses at that time. Scientists found about 50 fossilized skeletons of T-Rexes between 1892 and 2000. Discoveries span from New Mexico to Texas in the United States, north up to Alberta and Saskatchewan in Canada, and also in Eastern Asia. All that scientists now know about T-Rexes has been learned from the study of those skeletons. T-Rexes were theropods. Theropods were dinosaurs that had short forelimbs, sturdy legs, and 3 toes on each limb. Theropods walked on 2 legs instead of 4. They had light, hollow bones that were strong enough to hold them up but didn't add excess weight to their already heavy bodies. T-Rexes also had thick tails for balance and to keep them from falling forward from the weight of their large, heavy heads. T-Rexes were about 40 feet long when full-grown. Although they stood quite tall at around 12 feet high, they were not the tallest of the dinosaurs. Their weight is estimated to have been between 9 and 15 short tons. A short ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. In addition to having short forelimbs, T-Rexes also had 2 clawed toes and 1 shorter toe called a dew claw. Many animals have dew claws, which are farther up their limbs, like human thumbs. In some animals, the dew claw helps them grasp meat. T-Rexes didn't have a large range of motion in their forelimbs. In 1983, a footprint believed to be from a T-Rex was found. It measured 33 inches long and 28 inches wide. The footprint was found in New Mexico, in the United States, in an area that was once filled with vegetation and water. The imprint was lodged in a mud flat, which is a wet area that is uncovered when the tide goes out. It is amazing that the footprint from millions of years ago was left unmarred. T-Rexes had big heads with lots of teeth in their strong jaws. The largest T-Rex skull ever found was 5 feet long. T-Rexes had short, strong necks to help hold up their large heads. There were openings in their skulls that made the bones more lightweight but still strong. Other dinosaurs must have been frightened of T-Rexes just from the looks of their mouths. T-Rexes had powerful jaws that could crush bone. Their teeth grew up to 12 inches long. Of all the meat-eating dinosaurs, T-Rexes had the biggest teeth. T-Rexes were apex predators, which means that they hunted other animals, or prey, as food. Apex predators rule over all animals. There are no other animals that hunt apex predators, except T-Rexes had triangular heads with eyes that looked straight ahead. Their eyes worked together to see into the distance and define shapes. This helped them clearly see prey and track movement as they hunted. T-Rexes seemed made to find prey. Based on studies of their bone structure, they had keen eyesight. They could see almost 4 times better than eagles and 13 times better than humans. The nerves in their noses were large, so it is possible they could sniff out dead animals to eat, like modern vultures do. They were also able to hear over long distances, possibly to locate prey or find others of their kind. Studies of T-Rex skulls have shown that they had the largest brains of all the dinosaurs. They were as smart as today's birds or alligators. Some scientists think that T-Rexes were as smart as chimpanzees, but other scientists disagree with that hypothesis. No one knows exactly how T-Rexes looked on the outside. As their name suggests, they could have had scaly skin like lizards. It's possible that they had feathers on some parts of their bodies to keep them warm. T-Rexes could have been any color, such as red. Or it's possible they were green or brown to help them blend into their surroundings. Today's scientists can only guess how smart T-Rexes were or the details of their appearance. However, other factors, like how tall they were or how far they could see, can be learned from the study of their bones. One thing certain to all is that T-Rexes are long gone from Earth. However, they are still fascinating to both scientists and non-scientists alike. Humans continue to be curious and learn all they can about these tyrant lizard kings.